Science and discovery, seed shooters, maple, dandelion, paper models. On a sunny Monday morning in the heart of Whistling Woods, home to maple and dandelion, curiosity sparked. "Why do we fall from trees, Dandelion?" asked Maple, fluttering down from her perch. Maple and Dandelion embarked on an adventure to discover the mysteries of gravity, starting with their friends, a pinecone, acorn, and sunflower seed. They gathered these friends, along with materials for paper models in the clearing. It's in the clearing. Over the course of a week, Maple, Dandelion, and their friends worked together to create small paper models resembling themselves. Using markers, they added labels for weight and designs to represent air resistance. On the day of the experiment, they stood at the edge of a towering hill. With a leap of faith, Maple's paper model was released, closely followed by her friends. As they watched their friends fall, Maple and Dandelion noticed something fascinating. Each paper model followed a unique path due to its weight and design. The sunflower seed model plummeted straight down, while the acorn model slowed as it spiraled towards the ground. Over the next few days, they repeated the experiment multiple times, each time recording their observations. They discovered that weight affects how quickly objects fall, and design impacts air resistance, causing different paths to form. Finally, they gathered at the foot of the hill to celebrate their findings. They understood that seeds falling from trees are unique, because each one has a different weight and design. Now that they understood why seeds fall differently, Maple, Dandelion, and their friends could better anticipate where they might land and grow. They spread knowledge throughout Whistling Woods, helping all its inhabitants thrive. One day, children from a nearby village came to Whistling Woods. Maple and Dandelion shared their adventure and discovery with them. "What are seeds, Dandelion?" The children marveled at the wonders of gravity and the magic of seeds. As the children left Whistling Woods, they carried the seeds of curiosity, ready to plant them in their own world. Maple and Dandelion watched proudly as the new generation embarked on their scientific adventures. As night fell over Whistling Woods, Maple and Dandelion stood under the starry sky, reflecting on their adventure. They realized that every question they asked brought them closer to understanding the world around them. Through this adventure, they learned that scientific discovery is not only about finding answers, but also about asking questions and exploring the unknown. And so every night, as Maple, Dandelion, and their friends looked up at the stars, they were filled with hope for what tomorrow might bring.